Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best Android tablets available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus Android tablet. Despite being in the center of the Tab S8 lineup, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus tablet is our top choice. The 12.4-inch AMOLED display has superb color and brightness. It's the perfect size for gaming and enjoyment, yet it's also portable and big enough for light office work. The ability to connect to a mouse and even an external display, thanks to updates to Samsung's DeX software, potentially makes the Tab S8 a potential laptop replacement. Although a keyboard cover isn't included, a great S Pen from Samsung is, allowing you to use the large screen for taking notes and creating content right out of the box. Take a look at our Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus review. At number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Fe Android tablet. The Galaxy Tab S7 Fe maintains a luxury feel despite costing $530 as opposed to the $850 Tab S7 Plus. The S7 Fe is the same size as the Plus and features an aluminum body that weighs 1.3 pounds. It has thin bezels surrounding its 12.4-inch display, which has a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. With care, Samsung reduced the features of the Plus, such as the number of stereo speakers from 4 to 2 and the AMOLED display's replacement with an LCD screen. As a result, for a lot less money, you can have a big screen Android tablet that works admirably and looks and feels expensive. At number 3 on our list is the Lenovo Smart Tab P10 10.1 Android tablet. In a single 10-inch gadget, the Lenovo Smart Tab P10 combines a tablet and a smart display. Android Oreo, front and back cameras, a fingerprint scanner, and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset are all included with this Lenovo tablet. The Lenovo Tab transforms into a smart display similar to the Amazon Echo Show when you dock it. Learn more details regarding the Lenovo Smart Tab P10. Use the most recent Android O operating system. For multiple profiles, the Smart Tab P10 has a fingerprint login feature. This tablet package also comes with a smart speaker that produces booming sounds from 4 full-range Dolby Atmos speakers. When docked, your tablet will turn into a smart screen with Amazon Alexa. Utilize hands-free control of your smart home gadgets. Moving up at number 4 is the Lenovo Yoga Tab 13 Android tablet. Lenovo also introduced a 13-inch model, which offers higher performance and even better audio output from its quad speaker arrangement if the Yoga Tab 11 is too tiny for your needs. It has an integrated kickstand and the same distinctive appearance as the Tab 11, but the build quality isn't quite as good as we'd like it to be, and we really wish the LCD panel had been replaced by an OLED one. Its strengths as a media player are aided by a larger form factor, which also translates to a larger battery. Its capacity to serve as a second screen is a fun party trick. Similar to the 11 inches variant, it suffers from Android's limitations on tablets and costs more than its hardware would indicate, which may deter some buyers. At number 5 is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 LTE Android tablet. The Galaxy Tab A8 is a pleasant addition to Samsung's tablet lineup, including a stylish design and other noteworthy features like strong audio performance. Its 2 major flaws prevent it from being an instant recommendation for a budget media player, but despite these, it still has a good battery life and provides an overall balanced experience, especially given the price. With the Galaxy ecosystem experience, you can take advantage of a whole new range of practical possibilities because all of your devices, including your phone, laptop, and tablet, will automatically and fluidly communicate with one another. With Galaxy connectivity, you can do more with your notes and automatically sync everything from to-do lists to schoolwork, whether you're using a tablet, phone, or watch. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.